Hey guys, in this video, I'll let you guys know how to fix Steam games have no sound. If the Steam game does not have sound, then it could be the issue with the sound itself. So first of all, what you would do is you would check for an update. So for that, you want to go to the Steam from the top right hand side and go to check for Steam client update. If you see something like update, then you have to press that out and see that should be able to fix. Likewise, the other thing you also want to do is come to the library tab and locate the particular game that you're having issue. Then right click on the mouse and go to properties. As you go to properties, then you simply want to go ahead and make sure to click on update. And if you see any sort of update, you also want to try doing it. So that should be able to fix. And despite doing this, if the issue still persists on, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and close this up and right click on the mouse, click on task manager, locate Steam and completely close it up. By right clicking, click on end task. And next, what you want to do is right click on the mouse when you locate Steam and then go to properties, or you could just go to, so right click on the mouse and go to open file location. While you're on this section, right click and go to properties. As you go to properties, come to compatibility tab. Make sure that compatibility mode as well as administrative mode is selected. Click on apply, click the OK button. This should be able to fix. If not, then the last alternative is to simply uninstall. So you have to go to the control panel, go to uninstall a program, locate Steam and right click, click on uninstall, restart your PC, then reinstall Steam. That's going to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.